Sup guys, here we are in a new video. This is gonna be a comparison. We are going to compare the Beats Fit Pro and the Powerbeats Pro to know which one is better and the right one to purchase. Let's get into it. At first, we are going to talk about the design. Both of these have very good design. They are unique and advantageous in their ways. They are amazing. They both have this amazing matte finish. So they are built with high plastic material. It feels amazing. And when we talk about colors, they both come in different colors. The Powerbeats 2 and the Beats Fit Pro 2. But the Powerbeats have more colors than the Beats Fit Pro. So you just gotta decide which color are you choosing. There are amazing colors out there. It's finally getting interesting. The fit. How does this fit in your ears? The Beats Fit Pro and the Powerbeats Pro have amazing fits. They fit perfectly. Because when you put this into consideration, or if you have already used this, you will notice they never fall from your ears or they never budge. I've used them, I've reviewed them, and these are all good when it comes to fit. And for good fits, they are both using ear tips. I really like wireless earphones with ear tips. Now we come to controls. These both have controls on both ears. So you can play, change or pause the music. There are different controls on both ears. But the Powerbeats gets more credit here because there's a volume button right there. But on the Beats Fit Pro there isn't. Now about skin detecting optical sensor. These both have skin detecting optical sensors. So this is amazing. And now, this is where the Beats Fit Pro beats the Powerbeats Pro. This is a knockout. So honestly, some of you might not believe, but on the Powerbeats Pro, there isn't active noise cancellation, transparency mode, or spatial audio. But on the Beats Fit Pro, there is active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and spatial audio. And this really gets a very good credit there. At first, I can't believe that there isn't active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and all those stuffs on the Powerbeats until I checked. Hell, that was embarrassing. The battery life. And this is where the Powerbeats beats the Beats Fit Pro. The Powerbeats have a better battery life. Seriously, you can't even compare it with the Beats Fit Pro. The Beats Fit Pro also have a good battery life, but the Powerbeats have a better battery life. So if you are more concerned about battery life, the Powerbeats Pro is the best option for you. The microphone. This is also a place where the Powerbeats Pro gets chosen. It have a better microphone because I did a microphone test on both and the Powerbeats Pro have a better microphone. Honestly, when I tried this first, I was like, damn, was I recording with my phone? Until I checked and I was recording straight up from the wireless earphone, the Powerbeats Pro. The most important question, which sounds better, the Powerbeats Pro or the Beats Fit Pro? Alright, these both have amazing sounds, but the Beats Fit Pro sounds better, to be honest. The Powerbeats Pro is a very cool wireless earphone with all the battery life, the microphone, the sound quality and so on. But I feel like the Beats Fit Pro gonna beat this. But let's talk about the price. The Powerbeats Pro cost $149 while the Beats Fit Pro cost $165. With that additional $16 you get active noise cancellation, transparency mode and spatial audio. I think this is a good deal. So when you put all what we discussed together, you will see the Beats Fit Pro and the Powerbeats Pro are amazing wireless earphones, but the Beats Fit Pro is better, honestly. Because it have a lot of features the Powerbeats doesn't have, and it also have a good battery life, and the Powerbeats have a better battery life. And you will see they have a lot of things in common. Good fit, good matte finish, amazing battery life, though the Powerbeats is better in that side. Good microphone, the Powerbeats is better, but they have a lot of things in common. So, the Beats Fit Pro is better. I made a full review on both wireless earphones, the Powerbeats and the Beats Fit Pro. If you want to check out to make sure yourself, the reviews are on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go check the better one for yourself. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.